require assistance? Okay, sir. I am notifying the police. Are you at apartment 2?
I won't, sir.
But I need you to confirm your address, sir.
It's apartment 2.
Okay, the police are on their way, but I need you to calm down. Do you know if it's a man or a woman?
I don't know. I just saw the back of their head. Its scalpels were gone.
Excuse me, sir?
Its skin was hanging off the side of his head. He started to run towards me, but... What was that? Everything. Everything just started shaking.
Are you able to get to an exit?
No, I'm in a closet.
All right, I need you to stay calm. Do you have anything you can use to protect?
There's some coat hangers.
Okay, take one of the hangers and straighten it
They're
out.
all plastic.
Okay, sir. Is there anything else? What is happening? Sir? The police are only a few minutes away. I just need you to hang on a little longer.
I'm so scared. I'm so... Oh my God!
Sir? Sir, are you there? Sir?
What is your emergency?
Someone followed me and my brother home from school. Our parents are not home.
Have you seen this person before?
No. Can you please send help?
Where are you now?
At home, in the living room. I'm looking out the front window. The tall man is scaring us.
Where is this guy?
In front of the house.
What is he doing?
He's standing behind a tree. He's very tall. Help us. I'm scared.
What was that?
I don't know. The lights went out. I'm scared.
Help is on the way.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
What's happening?
He's looking at me. He has no face. His face is gone.
Calm down. Does he have a mask on?
No. He's coming. He's coming.
Calm down. Help is on the way. As long as he's outside and you're inside, you'll be fine. Describe him to me.
He has a suit on and a tie. He's very tall. He has long arms. He's bald. I'm scared.
Be brave, okay? I want you to be strong right now. It's going to be fine. I'm here with you.
He's coming.
How's your brother doing?
He's not doing anything. He's acting strange.
What is he doing?
Staring. He's staring at me.
Is he scared?
No, he's not saying anything.
How old is he?
9.
What is the tall man doing now? What's the matter?
He's in front of the window, facing me.
Back away from the window, get your brother, go into the restroom, and lock the door. Young lady, are you okay? Hello? Are you there? Hello? Young lady, are you okay?
I'm fine now. I'm not scared anymore. The tall man just wants to play. He's my friend.
Where is he? They're with me now. They're safe. Who are are you? She will be missed. Sir, please don't do this. I see you, operator. You're scared. I feel your worries. In your doubts, the one you call Sarah will be mine too. How do you know my daughter's name?